Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to replace the fog light bulbs. It's LED bulbs. I have already fitted LED bulbs, but one of them is not working now, so I bought new one. So in this video we will unbox it and replace the bulbs. So let's unbox the package first, and then I will show you first how it looks before and how it will look after. So this is the package. I bought these bulbs online, so let's unbox this. These are the bulbs C6 Max, and these are all the sizes they have. I bought the H11 one, and these are all the other sizes. So let's open this thing. Okay, so these are the two bulbs. Let's put aside. So let's replace the bulb. So this is how it looks right now. So I need to replace this right side bulb. I need to replace, but you can see it's on the left side. So one bulb is working, one will not. So let me replace the bulb and I will show you how it looks after that. So these are the new bulb. So let me get inside. You guys cannot see this. Maybe you guys can see. What you just need to do is just put your hand inside and try to find the bulb there, and roll it the other way and bring this outside. So this is the old bulb, this is the switch. So I will do like this and put the new bulb in there. Alright, I have put the new bulb inside there. So I have plugged the bulb. Let's go to the other side. Okay, so on this side I will put my hand under it, and this is the switch. This is the bulb. Unplug this bulb like this, and this is the new one here. Plug the bulbs. Now fit it inside. So I have fixed both the sides. So now let's go and switch on the bulbs. Hopefully they works. Oh, look at this. These both bulbs works perfectly. And by the way guys, if you are looking at this sunshade, you guys can also get this if you guys want it. So there is a link in the about of the channel, so you can go there and find my email, and you can email me if you want to have the same thing. Alright, so as you guys can already tell, it's already a night time. You guys have already seen the lights. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give a like, subscribe to the channel and comment. Thank you so much for watching.